Somebody's getting that ride on today. Well, I'm changing this tire here. I think I should come a little closer, huh? How's this? Is it a good work area for y'all to see? Yeah. All up in the mall. There you go, right there. There. Get myself situated. Everybody's had a nice weekend this weekend. Yep. And we just simply good old wrench screwdriver there. Going in here like that. Do I have the wrong side? I think I do. Hold on. Get in there for a second real quick. There. That hurt. Just a little bit. Don't you just love that sound? See, this one's smooth. This one has some teeth on it. Homemade teeth. Oh no, look at that. Oof. Those homemade teeth help you grab a little bit better. In some instantations. Costumes here. Let's go over here. Ew. That man say, ew. See, my screwdriver's got a little whoop to it. Helps us get it to it. We can do it too, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, that stuff's nasty. Ew. There you go, right there. Perfect, as I say, possibly possum. Hey, don't spill my coffee. Oof. Bleh. Bleh. Ew, ew. Gross. Ew. Definitely nasty. Let's clean this up here and we'll come back to you.